How to say C translation on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to say C translation on Facebook. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure that you log into your account. Now navigate to the three-line menu icon at top right corner and tap on the setting or gear icon at top right corner to access setting and privacy page. Scroll down and navigate to Preferences section, select Languages and Region option. Here you need to tap on language you would like to have post translated into and then select the desired language in which you want to translate the post into. For me, English is the convenient language and tap on the Save button at top left corner of the screen. Come back and you can easily look for any post. Now as you can see that this is the different language, here you got the option of C translation. Select C translation and it will be translated into your preferred language. And that's how we say C translation on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.